Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials, install Harmony Engine and confirm plugin version. Open a new project, set sample rate and buffer size, and choose tempo. Import your audio or MIDI stems, then organize tracks into logical buses so routing is clear. Once done, enable monitoring on the input track and load Harmony Engine on a dedicated insert. Make sure to save incremental project versions. This prevents losing configuration as you move into sound design and tuning. You now design the internal voices. Choose the voicing algorithm and set polyphony and stereo spread to match arrangement density. Tweak format and pitch shift parameters to keep character natural and refine timing or lag controls to sit in the groove. Once tuned, map MIDI keys and CCs for real-time performance tweaks. This lets you change harmonies live. While adjusting, listen for masking and frequency clashes. Use EQ or dynamic ducking to carve space, so harmony parts remain clear and present. You finish by integrating harmonies into the mix. Balance output levels, apply subtractive EQ to remove buildup, and use gentle compression plus reverb sends to create space. Automate intensity, panning, and wet/dry mix across sections so harmonies evolve with the song. If you encounter artifacts or glitches, lower extreme format or pitch shift amounts, increase buffer size, or freeze tracks to reduce CPU load. This usually clears digital distortion. Finally, save a stem export and test on.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.